L'Opulent Jeune Multi-Care BB Cream with SPF 40. Wash your face before applying BB cream. Put a small amount at the back of your hand using your finger. Get some product and dot around the areas of your face, forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. With gentle patting motions, spread and blend it evenly on your skin. For the area under the eyes, dot a small amount of BB cream using your finger and gently spread outward to blend and cover the dark areas. For spots that are showing obvious discoloration, put a small amount of BB cream and pat it gently for additional coverage. Apply evenly and blend on neck as well. Do not sleep with BB cream on. Be sure to wash your face before going to bed to prevent breakouts. Use any of your favorite Royale Beauty soaps and Royale Beauty Cleansing and Brightening Toner for best results. L'Opulent Jeune Multi-Care BB Cream with SPF 40.